Alright, so yeah, let's calculate the length of PS. This is our PS, that is XCM. We are using Pythagorean's rule, alright, which is a square plus a square equals to b square plus c square. Our A is our hypotenuse, that is the side facing the right angle. If you watch here, our PS is our hypotenuse. This is our right angle. So this side is facing our right angle. Likewise here, our Y is the hypotenuse. It's facing the right angle. Alright? And for us to be able to find this our X, we ought to know the value of our Y, because we are using PRS to find our X. So in order to find our Y, we are using PQR. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the value of our Y before we can be able to find the value of our X. And finding our Y, this Y is facing our right angle. That means it is the hypotenuse side, that is our A. Alright, so we are going to have Y square equals to 3 square plus 2 square. We are going to have Y square equals to, this is 9 plus, this one is 4, giving us 13. Alright, our Y square is equals to this. We are leaving it at Y square because we are still going to use Y square to find our S. Alright, so let's go ahead to look for our S. Our S square is equals to, is still our hypotenuse, so we are adding these two sides together. Y square plus 6 square. Alright, and we have gotten the value of our Y square as this, so we are substituting it. S square equals to 13 plus 6 squared is 36. Alright, our S square is equals to this plus this, 49. Alright, so watch, in order for us to cancel this square here, we are taking square root of both sides. Alright, taking the square root, we are going to have square root of S square equals to square root of 49. This square root cancels this square. We have an X equals to square root of 49 is 7. So therefore, the length of PS is equals to 7 cm. Alright, so we are getting the value of our PS as 7 cm. So this is how to solve this kind of question.